Hello guys, welcome back to channel. Are you tired of scrolling through endless feeds and dealing with unwanted messages on your Instagram? It may be time to deactivate your Instagram account, but don't worry, it's not permanent and you can always reactivate it later. First step is open the Instagram app and log into your account. Now tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen and click edit profile. Now select deactivate your account. Now follow the prompts to provide a reason for deactivating your account and re-enter your password. Now click on deactivate your account. And that's it. Your account will be deactivated and hidden from view. Remember, you can always reactivate your account by simply logging in again. So take a break from the virtual world and come back refreshed and ready to reconnect. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.